The MyPEUGEOT app allows you to access everything you need to know about your Peugeot on your smartphone. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use the perfect digital companion for your Peugeot. Let's start with the home page. From here, you'll be able to see essential data about your car, handy stats like fuel level and charge status. In the event of any technical issues with your car, an alert will be displayed on the home page. You can also easily search and contact a local Peugeot retailer or workshop, and reach our customer care team like so. This means you have a quick and easy way of making an appointment or asking for a quote at your preferred retailer store. As well as finding its location, opening times and available services, the maintenance section allows you to see any service, MOT or maintenance appointments that have already taken place. The MyPEUGEOT app will also provide maintenance reminders straight to your mobile device. On the home page, you can contact a Peugeot retailer to book in for a maintenance check or repair. The MyPEUGEOT app also lets you stay connected to your car whenever you want, wherever you want. If you drive a full electric or plug-in hybrid Peugeot, you can use the MyPEUGEOT app to access the e-remote control. This function allows you to view charge state, charging status, charge rate, and estimated range, as well as remote starting and programming of your charge in order to benefit from the best charging tariffs. To set the time you wish your full electric or plug-in hybrid Peugeot to begin charging, head to the Charge section within the app. Then select the desired time you wish the charging to start, and finally tap Deferred Charging. Another fantastic feature is the option to precondition the air conditioning or heating within your vehicle whilst it's still on charge. This allows you to efficiently maximise the range of your full electric or plug-in hybrid Peugeot. You don't have to set a preferred temperature yourself, as the e-remote control will always target a comfortably appropriate temperature, heating when it's cold outside and using air conditioning when it's hot outside. When you program preheating or pre-cooling, the system will start between 30 and 45 minutes before the time you've set. This is to ensure that your vehicle will have reached a comfortable temperature. It will then remain active for 10 minutes after that time. Please note, the remote climate function won't activate if the doors and/or the boot are unlocked. If you unlock the car during preheating or pre-cooling, the process will stop after 1 minute. The battery charge level is too low. That's 50% for full electric vehicles and 20% for plug-in hybrid models when unplugged. There is no impact for the hybrid vehicles when plugged in. And finally, if there are more than 3 scheduled events without driving the vehicle. In the car section, you can see the VIN number and the mileage of your car. You also have access to all of your connected services. If you receive an alert on your car, and you're not sure what it corresponds to, this is where you can find all the information you need about warning lights. You can discover when the issue was detected, some details about it, and how to solve it. Simply click on the related symbol you're shown, and you'll find an explanation. It will also tell you the best course of action. It's like a tiny Peugeot technician in your pocket. You can also find lots of helpful information about your car, including the full vehicle handbooks, as well as useful video tutorials on how to get the most out of your Peugeot. And finally, the More Info tab gives you the latest Peugeot news, vehicle promotions, after-sales promotions, and exclusive offers, making sure you're up to date on all things Peugeot.